for joining along. So I've made a couple of mini albums for pets. I had a lot of pet paper in my stash, and one of my goals was to use all that paper and make some cute mini albums. So this one is 5 by almost 5 by 7 with about a 2¼ inch spine, and of course it says live, love, and bark. So there's room here in this little waterfall for some small pictures. So that it measures about 4 by 4, 4 by 3.5. So you could crop down pictures. 3 by 3 would fit in here nicely. 3 by 3 pictures. And this is open on the bottom, so you could put a beautiful picture there with the good dog on the top. And this is a hidden pocket page mini album. So these photo mats inside are 4 by 6, so you can easily put 4 by 6 photos right there. So that'll open up like that. This will open that way. Love that paper, isn't it gorgeous? And that opens like that. Room here for another photo, and then you could put a small picture or maybe even journal on top of that. And there's the hidden photo mat inside there. This will open like that. Room for picture. This is good for one dog or if you have several different dogs in your household. So I just found that, I just cut out this little card. He's very cute, and that too. And that's a photo mat. And they fit inside this little pocket. This is another little photo mat. Now these, just cute little sayings. I just left it in the mini album. If you wanted to cut that out and put it on your pictures after you've put them in the mini album, that would be adorable. And here's the photo page there, photo mat. And here's room another photo. And there we go. So it's a cute, simple little mini album, and there is a little charm that says I love my picture of a dog on the back. So there is one of the mini albums I made using all of the animal paper that I've had in my stash. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.